So this is the fit. Yes, I wear the same thing every day. And yes, I've worn this jacket every day since I got it. I'm actually obsessed. But I am going to yoga after class, so I am just grabbing my yoga mat and I'm out the door. Oh my gosh, you guys, I did the thing that everyone is scared of. I went to the bathroom to tell you this, but literally I got to class and forgot my class was canceled. Love that for me. No, but it's almost like I wish there was class because I'm all the way here. But I'm just gonna go in this study room next door and edit my Vlogmas until yoga class. So at least I'll be productive. But like, have you ever done that? I am back from yoga. It is really cold outside. It was such a good yoga practice. I'm really glad I went. I don't know about you guys, but my favorite thing about yoga is, yeah, like I'll feel really heavy before, and then after I leave I'll be stretched out and I'll feel light. But like, I think the best part is the last like 4 or 5 minutes where she just like lets you lay down and meditate and be very mindful of where you're at, and it's just really awesome, and I feel so much better afterwards. So I know it's like one of those things that's like really hard to get there, especially when it's really cold. And if you're not very like flexible or good at yoga at the beginning, it like kind of seems like it sucks, but I really recommend it to you guys. I actually have a whole video about me ranting about yoga. But I just got home, and don't judge me, you guys, but I did pick up some Chipotle. I was like, oh my gosh, like yesterday I was like, I'm so healthy, like I got all these groceries and like I don't have to stop at Chipotle. And then ever since I was editing that footage, I was like, dang, I haven't had Chipotle in forever. It sounds really good. So I decided, because I have like 2 more things of chili left, I was like, I'll have that for dinner and then I'll have it for lunch tomorrow because I don't want to make any more food because I'm going out of town tomorrow. So I'm about to start editing this vlog and watch some other people's vlogs as well as eat my Chipotle. I'm super excited. And I got a comment on my latest video that was like, hey, like maybe a new like little thing you can put in your video is like YouTubers that you like watching, because this girl is like, I love watching new YouTubers and I feel like you watch a lot of like really interesting YouTubers and I just like to find new ones. So I cannot talk right now, but another YouTuber who just started Vlogmas like a couple days late, but like I'm really into, is Marissa Lace. I will link her channel down below. I'm excited to watch her latest video because she was just talking about how her and her boyfriend broke up and she just had the most badass mindset on it, and it was just really cool. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that.
Fuck.
Why?
Because
you're
like
only applying at UC.
Well, like I applied to like 12 billion spots at UC.
Hey Vlogmas.
But
Hey Vlogmas.
What up?
Everybody throws a peace sign.
That's my main thing, throws up a peace sign.
maybe I should
There's
start
like a tweet.
tossing the hang loose out, you know, switch
My
it
hair.
up for the people.
There's like a tweet that I saw and it was like, literally
show them
whenever
the
you
chat
see someone, you throw a piece and go,
You should.
just do that. It's me always.
Want to hear my new favorite song, guys? Which one should I play? Should the Rudolph?
Dude, let the people know about the playlist. Just let them know where to find it.
True.
You should put it on the speaker.
I can never connect to that.
F that.
Well, I guess. I mean, am I friends with you on Spotify? I don't even know if we're real friends.
I just got Spotify.
Alright, so then, no.
You think it's a classic Christmas tune?
Oh, wait.
We love Christmas up in here.
Even though our tree's not up yet. Will it go up
Latest
this
we've ever done it.
Yeah, will it go out this season? I don't know.
I don't remember getting home.
Last night.
Yeah.
I asked my mom today for a Christmas thing to make pumpkins over Kendra. Get over it. I should send her this song.
Why will the song change her pumpkin opinion?
Wait, so is Emma coming to
I'm so annoying.
Oh yeah, you told me about
Yeah,
that.
and I was like, I just use it for me.
That's fucking lit.
I wonder if there's an all I want for Christmas is you chat mix.
There has to be.
How'd it go?
He was so nervous.
Michelle passes
you.
Yeah, I passed my exam today, literally. She was like disappointed that she passed her exam.
Why are you
Oh, I found it.
If I wouldn't feel like I'd got a whole year off school.
Oh my god.
And do what? Dude, just work?
Just work.
Why don't you just take a year off anyways?
No, I want to graduate.
She's
like,
oh,
now I have
pissed
to
that
take my
failed that.
final.
Yeah.
I found it. So I may be one of the worst packers of all time. I'm literally going to be gone. My flight's tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. and my flight to leave is Saturday at 7 a.m. So tomorrow's Thursday, so I will literally be there 2 nights, roughly 3 days. And this is already how many clothes I've packed. This is like straight up like not okay, and that's not even on top of the clothes I have in the dryer right now that I'm waiting on. And then these are like my Supreme hoodie, and then my little favorite jacket throw, and then this is what I'm wearing on the plane. It's basically just the outfit I wore to sushi last night, except for this shirt instead, which I love. I got this from I think it's called Wasted Youth. It's like a thrift store in Los Angeles. And yeah, it's pretty sick. So I also have yet to pack my carry-on bag, and it's this guy. But yeah, on top of that, I literally re-deep cleaned my room. Like, I don't know how it gets messy so fast. I literally told you guys yesterday I was gonna see how long it took to get messy, and that's how long it took, literally. So this is like obviously a little messy because it's my packing. And then other than that, like my sleep shirt I'm wearing tonight. This is this, and then closing my dresser or my wardrobe. That is that. My shoes I didn't line up yet. You know I'm like really deep cleaning when my shoes are all like lined up perfectly. That's like my miscellaneous table, and then voila, my bed's made, my jacket's on it. Bedside table, and then I literally have to wipe down these counters like 3 times a day at least. But we're all clean. And I hear people.
Hello.
Hi. We're back.
Guess who's back?
Hello.
Back again.
Back again.
Jeff's back.
Hey Jeff.
What happened to your shoe, dude?
You already know what time it is, boys.
Oh my god, I like something packing. Wait, did you already start it?
You already
Yeah.
know what time it is, boy.
You already know what time it is. Wait, bring it over. No, you're not putting it back in here. That's different. I don't know how to work this. Oh wait, here we go. Wait, no. Wow, this is kind of hard to work. What do you mean? What you mean? Hello.
Oh. Hello.
Hello, my name's Michelle. I'm 17 and never learned how to read.
Good lord, Janice. What? You farted right in my butthole.
Shut up!
Oh my god.
Gonna take you around the world on these wild horses. Oh my god. Hey dude, players gotta play, you know what I mean?
Girl, finally showered. I am very, very, very clean and ready to have a presentation tomorrow morning and then head to Texas for the weekend. But Mount Everest is here to stay, I guess, and I just feel like, especially with traveling tomorrow, my skin needs some extra hydration. So I'm just gonna use this Garnier Skin Active Super Purifying Charcoal Sheet Mask. I'm using this because you don't have to wash it off, and I just like don't really like masks that you have to wash off when I do it after my shower because I'm already clean, you know? So I'm just gonna apply this, and then in 15 minutes, oh wow. It's like real liquidy. Oh, I feel like it's gonna work really well though. So I'm just gonna apply this baby, and then I am going to wait 15 minutes and take it off. I might switch out my laundry or like start folding it while it's on. We'll see. Because it's been a productive day. I'm like, do I want to finish this productive day? But, wow. I'm going to look so scary. I'm sorry in advance. It's so cold. Holy F. Why is it so cold? It smells so good though. Oh my god. It's like really big. Like, are most faces this big? Like, I'm confused. This is like one of the biggest fails I've had, but it doesn't look as bad as it feels, but it's fine. We're gonna leave this baby on for 15 minutes and I can't freaking talk. So I will catch up with you when I take it off. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, so I'm taking this baby off. But also, I'm literally laughing so hard about how disgustingly gross my laugh is when I drop the acai bowl in this video. Like, if you go back, like, I'll literally, okay, I'm just gonna replay it right now. Like, how is that my laugh? Am I good? Like, I sound like an actual gorilla or something. So, I didn't know that's how I sound, so I need to, like, watch out, I guess. Shit. No, but, like, am I good? My skin is nice and moisturized. There's, like, almost extra moisture, and I'm like, it doesn't say rinse or wipe off, but, like, I feel like I need to. Like, yikes. So after editing the vlog up to this point, I realized I had one too many fails today. Like, I literally got up, like, was gonna be so productive, and then I ended up, oh, so I'm folding my laundry while I'm talking just to make it more interesting. But I woke up, went to class just to find out class was canceled, and then I still just like edited my video, did whatever until I went to yoga. And then after yoga, I got Chipotle, even though I've been eating super healthy. And then I was gonna go to a bar class with my friend at 6 o'clock, and I ended up like taking the longest nap ever. So I didn't like sign up in time, I guess. And then, so we were like, let's just go next week when I'm back. And then I did like a tiny bit of homework, and I was gonna be a little more productive. Then all my friends were hanging out in the living room, and you saw the whole acai bowl fail. Today was just a fail. But you know, we're just going to pick ourselves back up and start right over, because you know, the real, I don't know what I was even gonna say. What was it? The only person who really fails is the person who's never given up. I like literally live in this robe. I'm low-key like so excited to get my new robe for Christmas. I went shopping on Black Friday with my mom. Do you guys ever go shopping with your parents and then they just like tell you what you're getting basically? Because yeah, that's my life recently. Definitely bringing this shirt for the plane ride home. I love it. It's like literally the one I showed you the other day. Yeet. I'm just throwing the stuff I want to bring like over there. I think now I'm just gonna play some music and give you guys a little montage. Literally, I'm balancing this on like 2 tissue paper things, so I really hope it doesn't fall. Actually, do you guys want to hear another fail first? Because I was just about to play Mac Miller, but a week before Mac Miller died, I bought Garrett Mac Miller tickets in Chicago for his birthday. We were gonna go, and I bought this really awesome penthouse hotel. And then obviously Mac Miller passed away, which was super sad, especially since we were so excited to see him live. I've seen him live once before and it was amazing. And we ended up changing our concert. We're going to this concert in February, and I am almost 99.99, probably like 100% sure I changed the date on the itinerary. And then I got an email, and the concert was supposed to be this past Monday, so like 3 days ago. And then I got an email like, oh, how was check-in experience? And I was like, that's weird. I literally changed it. And I went on and it wasn't changed. So I was on the phone with them for so long yesterday. And they were like, okay, like we'll probably have it changed, but they have to get to the main manager of the hotel, whatever. So I've been getting emails every single like freaking 2 hours, like we're still checking. And then I finally got an email that it was denied. So I literally paid $220 for a hotel for one night. I was so excited. It was super nice. I made sure it was a really high hotel. It was with a really good view. And I can't use it now, so it's really sad. I might have to just call them again. I'm just really bad at like being mean to customer service because like I know what it's like, but I don't know. It definitely wasn't my fault. I remember like I asked my boyfriend, like we were sitting there next to each other and I was like, should I full send? And he was like, yes. I clicked the button and what you gonna do? I guess it didn't work. So I should have definitely like confirmed that, so that's on my fault, but I still feel like I should get like at least half off the next room, you know what I mean? Especially since I paid extra, but oh well. Cue the montage. Oh wait, cue the Mac Miller music. This is my favorite album at the moment. Mine changes all the time with him, but this is the album I saw in concert, so like it's very nostalgic.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, dang, dang, wanna dang, dang. You don't even wanna dang, dang. Yeah, hey, yeah. I'ma go in it like this. Yeah, I want a song on my wrist. Yeah, I want a hit around my neck and a hook on my finger, a verse with a tint. Yeah, I wanna walk and fuck dripping.
So it is the next day, but I never ended up telling you guys the giveaway winners for my Soap and Glory products. So, dun 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 dun, here we are. The winners of these products are going to be Kelsey Turner, Ashley Whitman or Whitman, and Alex Lane. Congratulations. I'm so excited to send these products out. If you have my post notifications on, you come to this video right away and you send me your address in my Instagram DMs, I will get it shipped out today. But if not, it's going to have to wait until Monday of next week, which it'll still get to you, but just not as soon. But I would like to get them shipped out soon, so if you have the time, please be sure to send me your address. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's Vlogmas. I am so excited for tomorrow. Vlogmas will get really interesting rather than my just productive school days because I'm actually traveling, which in real time is today. I'm really excited for it, so stay tuned. Put those post notifications on. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'm really happy you're here and I've just been loving vlogging for you guys. I love also being interactive with you guys, so I will be replying to comments as they come on this video, and I'm gonna try to do that with most videos. There's not gonna be a giveaway in today's video, but once I get it back next Monday, I will get back on the grind of that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.
My heart at a minimum in us together. Down. Bills have been imminent obstacles. Ask me, I could put you on the map. Try and find another motherfucker like me. I don't really get the eyes on that. Like, whoa.